G'day guys, it's Tommy from Raw Blend, and today I'm making a brand new recipe. This is my jalapeno hummus. It's absolutely delicious and I think you're gonna love it, so let's get started. Today I'm using the Vitamix A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line model, comes in the beautiful brushed stainless steel finish. Today I'm using the 1.4 litre wet blade container. This is my favorite size container. It's ideal for making smaller quantities, so great for dips, ice creams, and my hummus today. Firstly, I've got some beautiful organic chickpeas, 2 cans, and I've left the liquid in there from 1 can only. So in that goes. Next, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, beautiful fresh herb, about a teaspoon of garlic. I'm just using minced garlic today. You can use a fresh clove, it's entirely up to you. And I'm gonna put some lime instead of lemon, which you'd traditionally use for hummus. So just about the juice of 1 lime. A little bit of seasoning, we keep that pretty simple. Good crack of black pepper and some sea salt. Always make sure your lid's locked into place. This actually has a magnetic strip in the lid, so it's not going to start blending until your lid is locked in place correctly. It's a good safety feature. The A3500 does have 5 preset functions: beverage, ice cream, soup, nut butters, and a clean setting. So I'm just going to use the manual setting. I'll start that on speed 1 and probably work it up to about speed 8 whilst using my tamper. Away we go. So that's been blending for only about 20 to 30 seconds on about speed 8. Now I want to get my jalapeno flavor in here. I haven't put it in here yet. And I've got some finely chopped jalapeno. Now I've done this because I actually want there to be little chunky bits through the dip. I don't want it completely blended through. And that goes. And then I've also got a little bit of fresh parsley, and that's finely chopped as well. So I'm just going to add that in too. And I'm also just gonna add another little squeeze of lime in there too. Now I'm using my tamper and I'm just gonna blend that on speed 1, maybe to 3, just for a few seconds, just to mix that through. That's it. That looks pretty good, smells so good. And we're gonna serve some of that out. That looks pretty good. I've got some chickpeas here which I haven't blended. I'm also just gonna pour them in for some crunch, and then I'm gonna put the rest of my hummus on top, just like so. And a little bit of garnish to finish it off, a little bit more jalapeno, and a little bit of that fresh parsley as well. And just a little drizzle of olive oil. I think that looks beautiful. Smells so good. Cheers. Really nice. Bit of kick from the jalapeno. Bitterness of the lime. I love it. I think you're gonna love it too. Definitely try it this summer. Happy blending.